Sorry about that. I had to itch my arm. Good boy, Sharky. Have you had enough? Have your shower? Alright, I'm watching. Yeah? What do you think, mate? Right. Got any secrets today? Oh. Is that what you're telling me? Really? Now, there's a beautiful pair of birds. Gosh, that's beautiful. Here, look at you guys. Oh, you're still getting fed by mum. You're still not getting fed by mum, surely. Look at your beautiful hair. Look at your beautiful hair. You want these? Yeah. Yeah. Righto. Love you. Thanks for looking after Sharky. Sharky, thanks for looking after mum. Have a great day.